Name a cryptocurrency exchange that hasn't been hacked before, or any known security breaches. I guess you hardly name one, but here it is, MXC Exchange. MXC Exchange is a cryptocurrency exchange that has been established in April 2018 and is registered in Seychelles. What makes MXC unique is that it has a very secure risk control system that makes it difficult for hackers to penetrate the exchange. MXC have been committed to user-first principle to provide the best trading experience. The security, the safety of the user's assets have always been the priority of MXC. That's why MXC continues to intensify its risk control measures, monitor the market trends, list quality projects, and upgrade the systems. MXC also has a good control measures against money launderers. If a user transaction has some abnormal risky operations, it will trigger the risk control system and countermeasures will be applied. These are the reasons why MXC is very secure and safe to trade into. MXC has so many benefits for all the users. It gives 60% of all trading fees to all MX holders. MX is the native token of MXC Exchange, and it is used to vote on the community, and it is also can be used as an alternative to trading fees, which you can have discount. And the rest of the 40% of all the trading fees are used to buy back and burn the MX token. That is done every month. According to CoinMarketCap, MXC has more than 700 trading pairs. MXC is also one of the top DeFi hub. With the addition of the assessment zone, more and more DeFi projects have been supported by MXC. Good DeFi projects are constantly added on the listing on the assessment zone, which gives these DeFi projects an ample time of 2 months to be traded on the assessment zone. Then the community will decide whether to extend it by voting with MX. While the projects with a good market performance can be transferred or listed on the innovation board. Let me show you how to make an account on MXC. First, you need to go to the official website of the MXC Exchange. I have a link on the description of this video. You can click it. Then you need to fill up the details. Click the sign up by email. Write your email address. Write the password that you want to use on your MXC account. Then request for email captcha code. Go to your email and copy the code, then paste it on the sign up page. You need to click the user's agreement and privacy policy. Then you click the sign up button. Then log into your account. Click login with email. Then request for email captcha code. The same procedure, you have to go to your email account. Then copy paste. Then copy the email code. Then paste it to the login page. The next thing that you need to do is to find your Google Authenticator app. Go to the Google Authentication page. Then download the Google Authenticator app on the Play Store. After successfully installing the Google Authenticator app, copy the Google Authentication key on the MXC website. Then paste it to the Google Authenticator app to bind your Google Authenticator to your MXC account. After adding your MXC email account to your Google Authenticator app, you need to request the email captcha code. So you have to click get right now. Go to your email and copy the code and paste it to the Google authentication page. Then go to your Google Authenticator app and copy the Google authentication code and then paste it to the Google authentication page. Then click submit. After successfully binding your Google Authenticator, you can now trade on MXC. But it would be better if you pass the KYC verification. Passing the KYC is so simple. You just need to go to the KYC verification page, then fill up the pertinent details and upload the documents that is needed. A selfie of you holding a piece of paper with handwritten details are also required. After completing the required documents, when you successfully upload it, just click submit. Just wait for the MXC email that you have successfully passed the KYC. Leverage ETF is my favorite trading product on MXC Exchange because it gives certain types of leverage to the users. Leverages gives you the opportunity to double or triple your profit depending on the certain times that the leverage was given. Today, MXC has up to 4 times leverage to some of the major underlying assets and 3 times leverage to the rest. Leverage ETF is a product that tracks the yield rate of the underlying assets. For example, you decided to trade on the BTC4L market. The underlying assets of BTC4L is BTC. So it will track the yield rate of the BTC market. If BTC gains 1% on the market, the BTC4L will gain 4%. That's simple, but the risk is when BTC lost 1%, the BTC4L will lose 4%. Leverage ETF maximize your profit. So if you have a small funds, you can try trading on the ETF market. Besides this, leverage ETF has no settlement date, unlike contract trading and margin trading, so there is no liquidation risk. But the thing that you should be aware of before trading on leverage ETF is that it has a share merging mechanism. Share merging mechanism is the merging process that can be triggered when the price of the ETF products falls lower than 0.05 USDT. What happens when the ETF products was merged? Well, it depends on the merging ratio. Most of the times, MXC uses 10 and 110. By using the merging ratio, MXC will adjust the ETF price and raise it 10 times. Let's say that the current price is 0.04 USDT. Then MXC will adjust it to 0.4 USDT, thereby raising the ETF price 10 times. While the quantity of the ETF products will be decreased to 1/10. For example, you have 100 BTC4L. It will be reduced to 1/10. Then the resulting amount of BTC4L that you're gonna have is only 10 BTC4L. So your total assets before the merging and after the merging will still be the same. I hope you understand the share merging mechanism. Just do your own research before investing any kind of cryptocurrency trading. Be wise and enjoy your trading on MXC. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. See you again on another episode of Gapbenger's Crypto Analytics.